YouTube, what's poppin', chat? Welcome back to the channel, Joshua J Trades, and tonight we are in the Asian session trading gold. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you start commenting. Let's start getting this out to other people, new traders that are that have a journey with their journey, whether it's futures, whether it's Forex. Let's get this out to more people, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Shout out. We just hit 500 subscribers in a little or no time. I appreciate y'all. I'm so grateful and thankful for all that watch this, and we're looking to grow it, man. We're looking to be serious about it. Just go around, grow it. I'm just getting back into the markets, trading, so a little rusty, but I'm here for it. You heard me? So I'm gonna be bringing y'all everything I'm doing. Like I said before, I don't talk too much when I'm trading, but I'll work on that. I'll try my best. Most of the time I stay quiet and just mark up and I'll take the trade. Currently, right now, we are trading Blue Guardian $10,000 account. I have just entered a trade here around probably around about 9 minutes ago, 7:40, maybe 7:45. So yeah, we going for about 20, what would we say, about 20 something pips, about 23 pips or so. We're going for just $55 a night. Nothing crazy. Like I said, just getting my feet wet. So let's see what the market's gonna do. I had a couple of confirmations for me. Obviously, you see it wedging here. We are now. I am completely honest about this. We are completely bullish in the markets, but with this wedging right here, and of course the knowledge I have about how Asian session does take out liquidity, which is in this area past this resistance zone, right? Taking out all the liquidity and then saying, you know what, we're gonna go ahead and drop. So this was my first confirmation, my little trend line that I created, you know, more than 2 and 3 taps on that. Of course, the biggest confirmation, which is actually number one, I'm sorry, is the hold on, y'all, discard. Okay. Which is, of course, the resistance zone, right? Our supply zone. And like I said, kind of I'm you know, not knowing what the markets do, but just due to my analysis, I just feel like, you know, when you look at the higher time frame, you'll see price you'll see this humongous wick right here letting it know. Now you see these two candles close, they matching up, they closed right here. You see price playing around in this window of area right here. Obviously, like I said, we're bullish, but you see this huge spike right here taking out liquidity, right? People got stop losses and stuff right there, whatever the case may be. And then yeah, so this is the resistance zone. It did break, like I said, but showed a huge wick, which gave some pressure to the downside. So that was another one of my confluences, along with, oh, I'm sorry, y'all, I mark up on TradingView as well, and you can even see it here better on TradingView anyway. I'm still in the trade on Trade Locker. I do my markups on TradingView anyway. So, but anyways, as you can see here, we wedged out right here. Price pushed up much as it can. You see the wicks right here, is no lie. I love to use Hikinachi candles, because Hikinachi, when it has flat tops, when it has flat bottoms, it'll let you know how strong those candles are to the bullish side, right? And then when it has strong tops, strong bottoms is bullish, flat flat bottoms is bullish, flat tops is letting us know how the market is bearish. We go back to the regular candles as well. You can see prices really just making it up in this area. Now I don't know if I would call it a change of character. It probably will go right around after Asian, during London or something. It probably turn around and go bullish. It may go bullish now, it may go against me, so we'll see. But yeah, we just entered this trade. So you have one confluence, two confluence, right, being in this area. That's two confluence for me. And then of course the engulfing bearish candle, that's the third confluence. You know, so yeah, so have a bearish bias right now. Let's see what we got. 1 hour. Yeah, so and I like to do top-down analysis. I started today with the 4-hour time frame, just breaking down the 4-hour time frame and seeing that it is in an area of interest here. As you can see, yeah, it did break this area, but you see it came back down, and then it plays around this area again. Like my mentor says, when you look to the left, it's like the club. You see everybody packed in the club like sardines, then you know that's an area of interest. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, just taking and I see this engulfing candle on the 4-hour. I see this slant pattern, and one thing, if you know about slant patterns, price is going the other way, Jack. You know, may push up a little bit, but it looks to go the other way. But like I said the other night, the markets have a mind of its own. So, yeah, but like I said, I'm not looking for many pips, just 20 something. I think it's like 23 pips. You heard me? So, yeah, man, we're just gonna hold out. I'm gonna bring y'all back to trade locker now. Let's see. We'll look back at this 5-minute. Matter of fact, we can leave it on here. We'll do this. I'll get how we really do it. We can leave trade locker over here on this screen, and then I'm gonna bring. But yeah, no, we'll do trade locker. Let y'all see what's going on here. Boom, there. Up 16, right? Up $16. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna bring up 16. We're gonna cut our losses. As it moves up, we move up. You know what it is. Hold on. I'm sorry, no. Let's see. We'll do it this way. What am I doing? Hold on, y'all. Okay, we are up $15. So yeah, we're gonna here. So one of the things coming back to trading that I learned is very important is to cut your losses, man. I wouldn't want it to. You deep in you're in profit $15. You know, I'm going for 55. You know what I'm saying? It's hanging up in this area right here. Hopefully we see price break this area. Let's mark it up right here. Hopefully we see price break this area, but if not, it's all good. Okay, it changed 31. Yeah, confirm that. We're gonna bring it down some more. 25. So we broke it in half. Yeah, we broke it in half. We're gonna confirm. Looks like it wants to keep pushing. Price wants to keep pushing. We'll see. Yeah, confirm that so we can have a slightly better risk. You know, oh, perfect. Go ahead and break. 7:57, 3 minutes to 8 o'clock. be awesome to have, you know, a closed candle below that area. I just kind of really look at the left. You can wide body it, you know what I'm saying? You see the exhaustion right here. You see the exhaustion right here, you know, and then eventually it broke and came back up. You know, you see exhaustion right there. Same way it's playing around in this area right here. You see price. These price close here, you know. Price breaks through. What does it do? It come back, exhaust right here. Same thing. You have a hammer or whatever they call it. Now, don't get me wrong. I ain't no super guru with them candlesticks, but I know something about them candlesticks, y'all. And then boom, you have extreme bullish candle off this area. So yeah, it's breaking that area. 2 more minutes. It'll be great if it closes below that, so we can look to see it go further. Because sometimes price will bring it all the way down here and then jig it back up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hopefully we get that going. Like I always say, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. You see what I'm saying? I mean, I always keep it a buck. I'll be keeping it a buck for real. Look, you see how price did that? I be looking for it to do stuff like that, man. It's crazy. But make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all share the channel. You know, we starting out pretty smooth. Congratulations to 500 subscribers to the family. Shout out to y'all following my journey, man. Like I say, in the future we're gonna do a lot more. I gotta get a better camera. Oh, we closed below. So what we gonna do? So we 25 up. So we gonna get you again. Let me see. Yeah, we moving that wrist. I don't play no games. We moving that wrist. We ain't trying to take no losses. I mean, you gonna take losses in trading, but I'm just talking. I'm just talking that you know, that talk here, man. I'm not trying to because when you're dealing with these prop firms, you got that consistency rule, and when you lose, it's nothing for profitable. I don't care if you're $1 million trader, you're going to lose in these markets. But when you lose, the lower your consistency rule is, like I'm working with the prop firm Blue Guardian, they got a 20% consistency rule. To me, that's decent. When you go to 40%, that's amazing. 50%, that's great. But you got some prop firms out here, you know, they doing 15% consistency rule. Anybody know like me, they know what's happening with that's highway robbery. But I mean, if you a good trader and you consistent, it's not really no highway robbery to it. You know, you just gotta you gotta play the field right. You know, you gotta be consistent. It is what it is, man. I'm gonna keep it real. We gonna confirm that. That came down quite a bit. Man, it's gold got a knack with me when it loves to come hit break even and then turn around and go in my favor. I hate that when it do that. But it's in such bearish momentum right now. I just wish it just come on, turn around and come on down here to daddy. You know what I'm saying? Just come down here to daddy. That's it. And we'll be done for the night. It's currently 8:02, Houston, Texas. Yeah, confirmed. Is he gonna hit me, y'all? Let's see what trading view talking about. It will pop up quick too. Is it gonna hit me though? Let's see how we rocking with this. Yep, same area. Is it gonna hit me? Oh yeah, it's coming up there. Hold on. Markets be manipulating. Let me see something. See if I got some time to do this. Raise it just a little bit over that. Oh, just drop it right there. That's fine. Right there. Let's see. Let's see what price at. 2765. Let's see. Rocking right there. Yeah. Let's do this. It went too far in profit for me to take that whole hit. What I'm doing, y'all, is I'm learning how to, for the first time in my trading career, learning how to cut my losses short. For any of y'all that know the Forex Beginner Podcast with Calvin, he has a lot of monumental videos when he talks about, cutting your losses short. So I have heard of that before in the industry, but I just never practiced it. I'm a hard head, knucklehead. I come from taking risks, so I'm just like, oh man, I ain't tripping. I'm gonna let it hit my stop fully every time. But when you become a profitable trader and you consistent, you just know to just cut your losses, man. Cut them losses short, bro. You ain't gotta take them lumps on the head every time. Yesterday I didn't get a chance to record, but I had a winning night last night with Asian Session. So I'm trying to keep that alive this week. If it hit my stop today, it's all good. My bias was I just really expected it to go down to that area to hit my take profit. Plus I try to get close as I can to that consistency, so I can get my payout. Hitting my entry right now. Look like it finna take me out. That's another thing I'm doing too, learning how I could have took half the profit tonight when it went up to $25, $26, $27, but nah, I just go with my bias, get my whole full profit out the deal, then come back another day, come back tomorrow with it. Okay, yeah, it closed me out. It's all good though. It's all good. So we followed our rules. It just went against us. It didn't go as farther down that I expected it to go. And that's all a part of trading. I ain't tripping. And then we went against the trend. Excuse me. Yeah, then we went against the trend. So I'm not worried at all. It's all good. So now what I will say is, because I lost so little money tonight, I'm able, due to my trading rules, I'm able to take another entry if I see one to be fit, which is in the area for it. It is actually in the area for it, but have to be cautious because it is bullish and it could break this area and go off to the races. So we would have to see. But 808, 810 new candle. No Hakanachi on the trade locker. See if we got another entry. Exhaustion again. I know some people watching, they like, you should have kept your stop loss up there. It happens like that, man. It's all good though. You hear me? It's all good, baby. It's all good, bro. And it could go to town. It could, it's 8-10. It could break. Could break. Look here. X area of interest. Definitely. But what I'm seeing here also is, see, because it did a major drop. So you got your higher lows. See what I'm saying? So, let's see. Showing them higher lows, that's all. Keep closing it out by mistake. What y'all think, chat? Might get another entry. Get another entry around here. Come down here. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Or will it go continue up? Oh, man. Let's see what we got. $8.15. It's a new candle. 5 more minutes for another candle. So we got another. What y'all call that? I guess I call it a hammer. If it look like that, I call it a hammer. Okay. See if we can catch us another entry. See how we rocking. Let's see. 14 pips, 10 pips. We gonna need it to break though. Okay, let's do that. What you say about it, chat? What you say, YouTube? You heard me? Try it again. Let's see what we got. Coming out right here with it. 37. Come out right there. Let's see about right there. 55. Sell 55 is coming back up. 8:17, 8:20, a new candle gonna form, 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we're gonna go for another entry for a sell, y'all. The way it's looking. Like I say, it continues to exhaust in this area, so like it is exhausting. Just a little scalping. That's it. That's all I do. That's all I do, man. Nothing crazy. All right, one more minute. One more minute. See what we got going on. Okay, we at 16 with it. We're gonna go and lock it in, chat. We're gonna go ahead and lock it in. I'm with my bias. See what we can get out the deal. See what's poppin', see what we got. Wait patient. This will be my last trade tonight. Win or lose, it's all good. There's another prop firm I've been looking at with instant funding. It's Aqua funded, and then I think I got wrote down. So this is Blue Guardian here, and then I have funding pips. This 10K account is actually practice for me when it comes to the consistency rule, and just getting back in the game. You know what I'm saying? So I really look to be in the near future making investments into nothing less than 50K accounts, 100K accounts, and just kind of go with did a lot of research with funding pips. They seem to be a very good prop firm. Aqua funded seems to be a very good prop firm. Only thing is their consistency rule is 5% less than Blue Guardian, and that 20% is literally like, without the consistency with me, I would have been withdrew like twice already with this 10K account. But because of the consistency rule, you know, it's a different ball game. I ain't gonna lie. And a lot of big name traders don't like consistency. I'm not a big name trader, but I don't like it either. I'm right with them, you know. I do not like having to have you know, to stay in a certain criteria with them. But I get it, you know, I get it. I'm not against none of the rules or whatever. So it is what it is. It's the cost of playing a game with them. It's all a game, bro. That's all it is. It's all a game. So we just gotta play it to get paid and put it in our live accounts. That's what we looking to do. Always trust your gut when you're trading. You know, I kind of like what I was seeing, but I'm gonna be honest to y'all. I looked at it from this standpoint, and I was just like, I had it marked up like this at first. I had it marked up here. You see this area? You know, that consolidation. I had it marked up there. So, and I told myself, this is a psychology thing. I told myself, if it break this area to the upside, I'm not trading tonight, because I'm gonna be left on an island with it all up in here. So if it break, I am not playing with these markets tonight, because they're gonna burn me. I'm gonna get cooked, like Jeremy Cash said. You heard me? So I was not looking forward to trade tonight. Just trying to be patient before I enter the market. And literally it broke. And I literally went against what I said and said, you know what, I'm still gonna take a snap at it because of this huge engulfing candle down, back down into this area. But here's the next area. So I had this theory that, you know what, since it's exhausting in this area, why not just trust price to just, you know what, come back down to here. And just like here, it took me out, right? So I say that it broke the trend line. It came down to this area where this hammer is at, but then the price went back up for, I call it like a retest to this area. And then I just always see gold do something like, you know, gold will do something like, let's see what we got. Wait. No. What I'm looking for. What's better, highlighter? Okay. Gold will do you something like this. You know what I'm saying? I'll highlight that area. It'll come down, price will come down. Okay, boom. I'm gonna go back and retest because I know he done put his stop loss to break even. Let me go get that. You heard me? And then I'm gonna continue on down, and we're gonna break this area, and we're gonna come here. That's what I was expecting it to do. It still could do that. It's a possibility, but it's so, I don't know. It's so bullish. I don't know, man. You know, I don't know. Let's just, all we can do is wait and be patient. We in the trade, so let's just see what it do. But it really be great for it to come just bust all the way down, and you hear me? So let's see. Be patient. Price is coming to my entry right here. Being pretty iffy right now. 8:29. New candle forming in 1 minute. Look like price wants to head back down to this area. Let's see. Let's see. Y'all know it's Mardi Gras season up the around the corner. Throw me something, mister. Man, so many years of going to them parades, boy. So many years. 30,000 steps a day, walking from uptown to downtown New Orleans. Man, years in the making. I haven't done it in years though. Price moving slow now, man. Wow. Make sure y'all like, make sure you subscribe. Shout out to the people watching. My full transparency of my trading journey, coming back in the game. It's all good, you know. Lose some, you win some. It's like just how the game go, you know. Sometimes you in the market, 5 minutes later you make money. Sometimes you got to sit here for an hour and a half, 2 hours, you know, for the whole session to get you some. To be patient and wait for a good setup, but we're gonna see how it's popping, man. What's going on? Let's see. Take that off. I don't know, man. Price just crying to go up. Look like it's just crying. It's just pushing to go up tonight. Gotta be patient. 8:34, one more minute. Next candle comes out. Boy, it'd be one good lovely night if it just next candle just come through and bum rush. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just come through and bum rush it, you heard me? Let's see what we got. Let's see where we at. We here, take profit. Oh yes, it's gone. It's gone. And hungry is bullish. Man, it is bullish. Uh-oh, rejection. I don't know, chat. I don't know, man. Like it's struggling in that area. Y'all agree? Look like it's struggling in this area, right? Gonna do, Price? What you gonna do? You struggling in the area. Struggling very much. Started right here letting us know with this huge engulfing candle. I know you want some more. The bears want some more. The bears want some more. I know they do. Bears want some more attention. It would make good sense because like I explained earlier, right? You got the bears come through. They break resistance, right? They come through. They take everybody's stop loss. They take their money, the liquidity, aka liquidity, right? And then they come through and they say, okay, this is what we're going to do. Now we're going to come down here. And we're gonna bust open this what you call it, this demand level, this support, right? We come through, we take their money, we take their money here doing support, and then we go up and we go to the win, continue on with the trend, right? But not sure, man. It's hanging around this area, you know. Pretty sure there's some liquidity here too, but I don't know. We'll see, bro. Who am I to say, y'all? I don't know. Right? Got another slant going up, so let's see if we can break that slant. Get something out of it. .51 minutes in. We've been in the markets 51 minutes. I typically come to the markets around, like I said before, I come to the markets around 7 o'clock at night. I don't take no trades until after 7:15 when I really start hunting something down. 2 weeks ago I had a winning streak. I think I was like 80 some percent profitable. And I was like undefeated for my first 2 weeks, and then last week hit me hard with the Trump inauguration or whatever you call it, and just a crazy week last week. And now we have one win for this week, and of course one small loss. So see how this trade goes. Yeah, so see how this trade go from now. Just take it how it go. But we getting better every day when we write in our trading journal. We getting better every day. Thank God, thank the Most High for that. We getting better every day. And like I say, we ain't finna keep playing with these little accounts. We finna go with the big boys so we can get these bigger accounts. And so get the bigger accounts, and then of course the plan is to replace our income, but keep the income coming in, because when you just doing particularly just strictly trading, that'll tear your mentality up, tear your psychological up, boy. You got to pay rent and lights. Don't let you have a family. That's even worse. Ooh, them bulls, bro. But yeah, don't let you have a family. That's even worse, so we want to keep them streams of income coming in. I have beautiful daughters, so I want them to live a life without lack, a life of abundance. We talk about infinite banking. We talking about trust. Really taking this trading to a whole nother level. A lot of these traders are doing that, creating businesses around the trading, and that's what it's all about, man. Bringing in several streams of income, passive income. I'm a part of a good community that does passive income. They millionaire traders, so they got the copycat where you copy their trades hands free. You don't have to do nothing, man. That's a good thing. So I'm looking to get into that. They doing right now. They trading Forex pairs. They trading US 30. They trading Earl and silver, oil. I'm sorry, my language. Or country boy from New Orleans, So yeah, man. So very beneficial. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, it's going well already. They've been at it for about 1.5 years now, so really changing people's lives. Passing prop firms and the prop firms that allow EAs. So yeah, man, great experience. But I'm looking to have several streams of income before I leave my situation, my job. Yeah, because I'm tired of working for people. I can't take it no more. I'll be letting Most High. If you have a relationship with God, because on this channel we talk to God for real. I'm with all that, angels, fasting, really having a relationship with God. And I tell God, I talk to God like my homeboy, with the utmost respect though, the highest respect. Like, God, I can't take it no more. I got to come up off this. I can't do it no more. No more living a life of lack, you know what I'm saying? Or a life of the what they taught us how to live. But that's for another video. Man, it's playing in that area, ain't it? Boy, it's playing with, boy, psychologically tearing you up, playing in this area. Come on now. This is terrible. Currently 8:44, next candle, 1 minute. In 1 minute. Look like it's trying to break my little trend line. Let's see what we got when this next candle come through. It broke it. We need to do the bears need to do the work now. Bears need to do the work. Need to push to the downside. Man, this is crazy. Asian is a tricky market to trade. Very tough market to trade. Not a lot of liquidity, man. You can get a few moves out of gold, but it's not a lot of liquidity. It's really just sitting on your hands and feet, man. London is a good time to trade it. New York, of course. New York and London crossing each other. That's another great time to trade it. Due to my work schedule, though, I gotta go to sleep in a few, and then of course, you know, when New York opens, I'm driving a truck, so I don't get a chance to catch the New York session, but the Most High will allow me in the future to get that done. I'm gonna be barbecuing these markets then, boy. Cause see, if we have volume, you see what I'm saying? If we had volume in the markets and I entered here, and we got good volume in the markets, and I enter here, oh man, I can get a quick 50 to 100. I can get a 50 piece. That's all. I'm only asking for 23. At this area here, I'm only asking, I'll get that whole move. During New York, I'll get that whole move. London, you're gonna get the fake outs to stop people out and take the liquidity, and then you're gonna get the real move around. London is good to get around about an hour and two after, when the market calms down. You know, 4 years ago when I first started trading, I used to trade something. Shout out to Nick on YouTube. I used to trade something he called the breakout strategy. In the candle, soon as 2 a.m. hit, it kind of moved just like this candle here. It just breaks out either to the upside or to the downside. Then the market makers started to understand that, you know what, let's fake them out. So it'll fake like it's doing that, and then it'll turn around and go against you. So it's crazy, man. Real crazy. Yeah, I think the market's ready to go up, man. One more minute. Next candle coming out. Diabolical. Okay, 850 creeping up. Next candle gonna do. Directly bearish. Directly bullish, I'm sorry. So the good thing is for me, if price is so bullish that it breaks this area, then I get out. I go ahead and close out. I don't even have to I don't even have to. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and set myself up for it. Now I'll just leave it there, but I'm gonna close out. Like, I'm not gonna allow it to, I'm not gonna even allow it to hit my stop loss. Asian is slow, man. You can even trade I just found this out from Charlene FX. You can trade US 30 doing Asian. I didn't even know that, to be honest. Man, that's crazy right there. But yeah, man, look what we got here. We got us another box. One of my mentors taught me that whichever way it's going, which is bullish right here, right? So it's bullish here, and then it creates this right here. He calls this analogy, he calls this SpongeBob SquareHead. The top of SpongeBob SquarePants' head. If you see it doing that, that means it's consolidating, so it can, it's basically bullish, consolidation, continuation. Basically what he's saying, so really off that teaching, off of his teaching, I can close it right now, but I'm a little daredevil with it. I'm a risk taker. It is what it is. Yeah, it might be a SpongeBob SquareHead, but if I gotta take a loss, I'll take the loss. It is what it is. What I do see is I am not a good trader against the trend. So what I will put in my notes for tonight is, if it's not going in the way of the overall trend, because the overall trend is it's bullish, man. That's just the truth. It's the overall trend. SpongeBob right here is probably just gonna do a continuation. I'm just not going for that no more. I just sit on my hands and feet instead of getting a happy feet and just wanting to get into the markets, and just calm down and just be patient. But yeah, no matter what the outcome is tonight, I'm just gonna just go with the trend, man, because too much of a headache trading this way, trying to catch a move and this and that. X'd out. Trying to catch a move to the downside when all the pressure is going up. hour and 6 minutes. Thank y'all for rocking with. I feel like I'm on a live. I need to start doing lives. I'm gonna do lives in the future, live trading. Right now, I'm pretty much just building my channel, to be honest. Just focused on building my channel, building a good community. Just focused on that right now. If you are still watching, whoever you are, I want to thank you. Make sure you subscribe, man. Shout out to the 500 subscribers. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate y'all. I'm very grateful. I don't take nothing lightly, man, and nothing as a coincidence. I'm very, very grateful. Appreciate y'all. Man, I used to be nervous to do YouTube, man. I used to be like, man, I'm gonna get on here, man, show these people I'm losing and all that. But people need to see this realness. That's why I follow real traders that be losing and showing their losses. Not just them big name traders that I made $50,000 in one day, or I made 5 racks in one day. That's a blessing, and we all wanna get to that point. But man, shout out to Jenny Baker. She's a great mentor, and she talks about how dare half of you try to make $1,000 a day when you don't even make that on your job. Why not start with $200 a day? That's guaranteed 6 figures. I won't say guaranteed, but that's equivalent to 6 figures a year. Just $200 in a trading day. You know, that's a 6-figure income. So start off there. You know what I mean? And very, very positive message with that. You know, taking base hits, meaning, you know, when it's blue, it's on you, or when it's green, it's on you, whichever one you want to see. Using your cell phone or your desktop. Yeah, man. We need to 2025. We need to start setting goals for our trading, and we need to start trading a lot differently instead of taking these big trades. Risking so much. We need to be thinking about, okay, you know, let's minimize our risk, but, you know, make maximum capital, but take base hits. Excuse me. Go with the futures model. I learned that in futures, watching what his name, TBM's YouTube channel and Cassinator Trades. Shout out to Cassinator Trades. I watched his journey. That's why I told y'all it's important to watch other traders' journeys and they vlog, and very motivating to see them trading 20 Apex accounts at one time, 5 my funded futures, 3 my funded futures accounts at one time, or 5 Top Step accounts at one time, or the list goes on, right? So I felt like, you know what, I'm gonna bring that over here to Forex, but I'm gonna do it with my live accounts. And that's when you have multiple workers for you, right? You have multiple workers working for you at that moment. And what is that called? That's called multiple streams of income. So if you got 10 trading accounts in Forex all making you money, that's 10 streams of income, man. So something to put in y'all ear for those of y'all that's watching close to the end here. We seeing some bearish, I forgot the name of this candle right here. I know it means something though. And then this upside down candle with this exhaustion, it very much so means something. Okay, look at price. 8:59 going into 9 o'clock here shortly. 1 minute left for that new candle. Yeah, I'd like to see it do some numbers. I'd like to see it come down here and do something. So see if we can get price to give us our money back and some. What do we have, chat? What we got, chat? I don't know. Let's see what we got. Yeah, man, but the multiple account strategy is where to go. Multiple accounts, man. Multiple accounts. Cause let's say if you did, let's bring up the calculator. You had a say if you did $50 a day, right? Just say you traded 5 trading days. Let's say you traded 5 trading days. That's $250 a week, right? Times 4 weeks. That's $1,000, right? So that's $1,000 by you making $50 a day. But check it, right? Let's be realistic, because we realistic over here. We all the way authentic. We all the way out here. You know what's happening. So you subtract 25% from that balance. You know, this is your live account now. 25% equals $250 that you lost. So you lost, let's see. So you lost, how many trades you lost? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You lost 5 trades in a month. You know, taking good setups. You lost 5 trades in a month. That's $750 a month with one account. But check it, right? You make $50 a day off of 10 broker accounts. And most brokers will let you get it. At the least, they gonna let you get 5 accounts. At the least. You heard me? That's a fact. At the least, you can get open 5 accounts. So you got 5 accounts. At the least. But let's say you got, everybody should have multiple brokers. Everybody should have multiple brokers. So let's go with 10 accounts to make it simple. 50 times 10 accounts in one day equals, that's $500 a day just off of $50, y'all. Think about that for a second. So, okay, 500. Yeah, okay, let's keep going. 500 times 5 trading days times 5 equals, that's $2,500 a week, bro. Come on now. That's $2,500 a week. Okay. Now, how much is that for a month? 4 weeks? That's $10,000 a month. Be realistic. You got a losing rate of 25%. You've been losing 25% of your capital. That's $7,500, man. Come on. You making $7,500 because you got 10 small accounts only making $50 a day. $50. $7,500. Come on, man. We all can do that. We all can do that. I'm gonna be honest to y'all. I'm about to close out. I'm definitely about to close out. Because if it go back to my, cause what we not finna do is keep playing with price. No, we not finna do this. Cause price is giving me a headache tonight. The power of multiple accounts though, multiple streams of income. I learned that from a Jamaican. That's another one of my mentors. He from Jamaica and he broke it down. So really beneficial information. Really beneficial information. Man, this is crazy. This is insane, man. Insane. Insane. You got to be kidding. One more minute left to 9:05. Ooh, that candle is ridiculous. Where are you going? Where are you going? Look at this candle right here. Look at that. Where are you gonna go? What you got for me? I'm sure finna close out. I'm not finna keep playing with this no. This what we do, y'all. We in the lab, baby. We in the lab, Asian session. Work in the morning. It's all good. Early in the morning too. The way price keeps stopping in this area too, it's kind of letting me know too that it's not wanting to break. It's not wanting to break none of that. Wow. It's man, it's toying with me. It's toying with me for real though. Okay. Okay. What are you trying to do? Okay, you tapping off my line. Are you trying to break it or what? What you trying to do? Are you trying to break it? Next candle coming out in 2 minutes. What are you trying to do? That's what I want to know. Are you trying to break it? 'Cause I've been here patient tonight. I definitely smell like you want to break it. I definitely smell like you want to break it. Price wants to break that area. What I tell you, what I tell you, what I tell you, price wants to break that area. How far you want to come down? All right, chat. How we looking, chat? What I tell y'all earlier, chat. what gold like to do? Play with your emotions. Come here, broke trend line, right? Price breaks trend line, comes back up, takes everybody out because you move to break even. Plays with your mind for about an hour, about 30 minutes, whatever or so. And now we breaking through. So can we hit my TP? What you think? Okay, it went. Okay, it broke this area. Are you seriously trying to go back up? You cannot be serious, bro. Well, I'll tell you what we not gonna do is take no hit. That's what we ain't gonna do. I bet your chat like, man, you gonna lose money again? I'll be trying to stick to my bias. I might just have a break-even day, y'all. Man, I really wanted the trust price to come down there too. $9.12. Next candle at 9.12. Let's see what we got here. Man, if y'all still rocking with me this long, man, I know it's a long session, but shout out to y'all, man. Y'all are troopers. I love y'all. I'm grateful. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so y'all can see me and my journey, man. Keeping it all the way authentic, keeping it a buck with y'all and my family. And make sure you share it. Make sure you subscribe to. Big time, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like we got what we got. What do we have? What do we have? Do we have a push to the downside? We got some exhaustion right here. What do we have? Take what we can from the markets, man. 9:14, one more minute. New candle coming through. 100K account, we'll be up about $3,000 right now. 100K account, 3,000, easy. Well, you know what? Let me say a 200K account, because I'll probably be using 0.5% risk on a 100K account. That's about what, $500? Kind of risking probably risking $500. We'll see when we get there though. I don't mind risking 1%, which is 1,000. I don't mind it. So what are we doing, Price? What we doing? Look like you want to come see me. Asian has been slower than a 72-year-old grandfather on crutches, but it's okay. It is okay. Shout out to the older people. Shout out to the older people. Price want to come see me. Price want to come see me. Price want to tap in with him. Give me a high five. Say how you doing. Joshua J. How you doing? Boom, and another take profit for the week. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to my subscribers that are getting ready to subscribe. Shout out to all of you that watch this video. Thank you. I appreciate you. I am grateful. I'm more than grateful. Shout out. We hit our TP. We are 2-1 for the week. And been a good week, man. But again, I'm sticking to my bias. I am not going against the trend no more. At least I say that, right? But good confirmations, good patience. Shout out to everybody watching this. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and I appreciate the support. I give great gratitude to where it's due to you guys, and thank you for the 500 subscribers, really quick and fast. Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all. And this is Joshua J Trades, and I'm out. You know what it is.